In today's video, we'll explore 25 small manufacturing business ideas that require low investment but offer high profitability. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, these ideas can help you start your entrepreneurial journey. Let's dive in. 1. Soap making business. Soap making is a profitable business that requires minimal investment. You can produce different types of soaps, including hand soaps, body soaps, and organic or herbal soaps. Since soap is a daily necessity, there is always high demand for quality products. With basic ingredients like oils, fragrances, and colors, you can start this business from home. By focusing on unique formulations and effective marketing, you can grow your brand and earn significant profits. 2. Candle making business. Candle making is a creative and profitable venture. Candles are used for home decor, relaxation, and special occasions, making them a popular product. You can experiment with different scents, colors, and shapes to create unique candles that attract customers. Handmade and scented candles are in high demand, and you can sell them online, in gift shops, or at local markets. With a small investment in wax, wicks, and fragrances, this business can generate a steady income. 3. Jewelry making business. Jewelry is a timeless industry with endless creative possibilities. You can design and craft earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and rings using materials like gold, silver, beads, or even recycled items. If you have a passion for design, you can create customized jewelry or take orders for personalized pieces. Selling through social media, online stores, or craft fairs can help grow your business with minimal initial investment. 4. T-shirt printing business. Customized t-shirts are always in demand. Whether it's for business promotions, events, or personal fashion, people love unique designs. All you need is a printing machine, plain t-shirts, and creative designs to get started. With proper marketing and high-quality prints, this business can be highly profitable, especially with trends like graphic tees and customized apparel. 5. Homemade food products. If you love cooking, why not turn your passion into a business? You can make jams, sauces, baked goods, or healthy snacks that people love. This business doesn't require a big investment and can be started from your own kitchen. People appreciate fresh, homemade food, so if your products taste great and are well packaged, you can build a loyal customer base. 6. Handmade crafts. Handmade products have a personal touch that many people love. You can create home decorations, accessories, or personalized gifts with simple materials. Since handmade items feel unique and special, they attract customers looking for exclusive products. This business requires only creativity and a small investment in materials. 7. Pet toys business. People love spoiling their pets, and pet toys are always in demand. You can create chew toys, plush toys, and interactive play items for dogs and cats. Using eco-friendly and durable materials can make your products more appealing. Selling through pet stores, online marketplaces, and social media can make this business a success. 8. Eco-friendly cleaning products. With growing awareness about sustainability, more people prefer natural cleaning products over chemical-based ones. You can create floor cleaners, dishwashing liquids, and multi-purpose sprays using ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Since consumers are shifting towards chemical-free alternatives, this business has high growth potential with a small investment. 9. Customized phone cases. Phone cases are one of the best-selling accessories. By creating custom designs, names, or photo-based cases, you can attract a large audience. Platforms like Etsy and Instagram are great for selling personalized phone cases. With creative designs and quality materials, this business can be highly profitable. 10. Personalized gift items. People love giving unique gifts. You can start a business customizing mugs, keychains, and photo frames with names, quotes, or special messages. With basic tools like a printing machine and design software, you can start from home and sell online or through gift shops. 11. Organic cosmetics. Organic skincare and beauty products are gaining massive popularity. You can create soaps, lotions, lip balms, and hair care products using natural ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, and essential oils. With good branding and high-quality products, this business can grow quickly in the beauty industry. 12. Fabric accessories. If you have sewing skills, fabric accessories can be a profitable niche. You can create headbands, scrunchies, handbags, and scarves using trendy fabrics and unique patterns. Handmade fashion items are always in demand, and selling them online or at craft fairs can generate great income. 13. Bamboo products. Bamboo is an eco-friendly and sustainable material used for making kitchen utensils, furniture, toothbrushes, and straws. Since eco-conscious consumers prefer sustainable products, a bamboo business has great potential with a small investment. 14. Organic farming. If you have a small piece of land, you can start growing organic fruits, vegetables, and grains. With increasing demand for chemical-free food, organic farming is a profitable long-term business that promotes a healthy lifestyle. 15. Handmade paper products. Handmade journals, greeting cards, and stationery are unique and artistic. Using recycled materials can also attract eco-conscious buyers. This business requires low investment but offers high profits if you create eye-catching designs. 16. Natural bath and body products. Products like bath bombs, body scrubs, and herbal lotions are becoming popular for self-care. With essential oils and natural ingredients, you can create luxurious skincare items. This business has high profit margins and can be started from home with minimal investment. 17. Woodworking. If you have carpentry skills, you can create wooden furniture, home decor, and kitchen tools. Handmade wood products are valuable due to their durability and craftsmanship. With time, you can expand and take custom furniture orders for higher profits. 18. Customized stickers and decals. Stickers and decals are widely used for laptops, walls, cars, and businesses. You can design and print custom stickers for clients and sell them online. A small investment in a printing machine and design software can turn this into a thriving business. 19. Homemade sauces and seasonings. People love flavorful and organic seasonings. You can create homemade spice blends, sauces, and condiments and sell them at local markets or online. 20. 3D printing. 3D printing is a modern manufacturing business where you can create custom models, jewelry, and home decor. With a 3D printer and design skills, you can enter a growing industry with endless possibilities. 21. Wedding planning. If you have an eye for detail, wedding planning can be a profitable business. From decorations to catering and event management, you can help couples plan their dream wedding. 22. Tuition business. If you're good at subjects like math, science, or languages, you can offer online or offline tutoring. With no major investment required, this is a highly rewarding business. 23. B2B e-commerce. B2B, business to business. E-commerce involves selling bulk products to other companies instead of direct customers. This model is highly scalable and can generate significant revenue. 24. Custom engraving business. Starting a custom engraving business allows you to create personalized items like engraved jewelry, keychains, glassware, and wooden gifts. With a small investment in an engraving machine, you can offer custom designs, names, and messages on various products. Engraved gifts are popular for special occasions like weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries. You can sell your products online, in gift shops, or at local markets. This business has great potential because people love unique and sentimental gifts. 25. Eco-friendly bags manufacturing. With the growing demand for sustainable products, making eco-friendly bags can be a profitable small business. You can create reusable shopping bags, tote bags, or backpacks using materials like jute, cotton, or recycled fabrics. Many businesses and individuals prefer eco-friendly bags over plastic ones. With creative designs and good marketing, you can attract environmentally conscious customers. Selling online, in retail stores, or partnering with businesses that need branded bags can help your business grow. These 25 small manufacturing business ideas prove that you don't need a huge investment to start a successful venture. Whether you choose handmade crafts, organic products, or customized items, each business has high potential. Which business idea do you like the most? Let us know in the comments.